Hey guys, welcome back to once again my channel. I hope you're doing well and new latest stylish ideas, stylish design, handbags looks, clutch purses, crochet, stylish clutch purses for evenings or special occasion. Add a button or zipper closer for security and decorate it with embellishment like beads or spines. Different styles and create a classic tote bag with the top handle using a simple stitch pattern. You can customize it with colorful yarn and add pockets for functionality. Latest beautiful ideas, style, earthy tones or vibrant color work well for these designs. Create a trendy bucket bag with dusting closer. You can experiment with different textures and colors to make it unique. Remember, you can personalize these designs with your choice of color, yarns and embellishment to make them uniquely yours. There are plenty of crochet patterns available online and in books to help you get started with this design. Here are some ideas. For girls and women, new and latest styles looks, new and latest styles designs, and geometric pattern designs are handbag with geometric shape like triangle, square, or mixing these shapes can result in a visually appealing pattern. Here are some more crochet handbags ideas to spark your creativity. Remember, you can personalize this design with your choice of color, yarn. So I hope you like it, guys. See this video till the end and mention me comment section for your feedback. And here are some more crochet handbags ideas to spark your creativity. Create a beach thumbed bag with seashell and wave pattern OPT for hue and sandy gray color to capture the beach vibe. Design a handbag with geometric shape like different mixing this shape floral